This TikTok page is going completely viral right now. They're posting videos of realistic movie sets, and these clips are getting massive attention. We're talking millions of views, with some hitting over 100 million. The videos show scenes of abandoned places or famous movie sets. I'm going to show you exactly how to make these using ChatGPT. First, go to the Explore page in ChatGPT and search for the GPT model called Abandoned Movie Scenes. Click Start Chat and simply type in the name of a movie. It will give you 5 different prompts to create images because these videos start with generated images. Pick one of the prompts ChatGPT creates and hit Copy. Next, head over to OpenArt and click on Image. From there, go to Create Image. Switch the model to Nano Banana Pro and paste in your prompt. That's pretty much it for the setup. Make sure you select the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is perfect for shorts, and choose how many images you want to generate. I'm going to stick with 4. As you can see, I tried all the prompts and Nano Banana created these visuals. Now, I'll explain how to turn these pictures into videos. Simply go to Higgsfield and head over to the Video tab, select the model. Google VO 3.1 and upload the image you created. Now paste in this prompt and click on Generate. You will get videos like this. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video on AIcenturies.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe.